friends, welcome to my fourth Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the font and the font size. You can see that I have a Microsoft Word document here and there is a text on it. In order to change the font, first I have to select the text that I want to change the font. And after that, I'll go to the Home tab right on top here and go to the font group. And now you can see that my font is Comic Sans MS. And right beside the font group, there is the button that shows my font size. And my font size is 16. So now, let's see what fonts are available. So I'll click on the button. And here there are dozens of fonts available and they are arranged in alphabetical order. So let me use Times New Roman. And now I want to change my font size. To change the font size, you can either click the button next to the number and select the size you want. Or you can use the increasing and decreasing font size button. You will notice that some of the numbers do not exist on the list. For example, it goes like 12, 14, 16 in even number. And it is the same in increasing and decreasing font size button. It will move in the even number patterns. So if you want to custom size, what will you have to do is click on the current size and then type in the size that you want. For example, I'll type in 17 here, which it does not exist in the list. And then press enter. And you'll see that now it is size 17, just in between 16 and 18. So that's how you create a custom size. So now, if I were to select the entire document by pressing Ctrl A, you'll notice that my font is Times New Roman, but there is nothing on the font size button. That is because one or more font sizes are used in the document. And obviously, the size of the title is bigger than the rest. So if I want it to be uniform, I'll go to the Home tab, Font, and then change the font size. Let me choose 16. So now this is how you change your fonts and your font size in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video for more Microsoft Word tutorials.